Some scientific studies were shut down not because they were flawed, but because their results were considered too dangerous. Throughout history, entire scientific programs have quietly disappeared, leaving behind only closed doors and unanswered questions. Officially, the reasons given were safety, ethics, or funding, but the real reasons were rarely put on paper. There was a category of experiments whose results proved frighteningly effective. Instead of recognition, fear set in because no one understood where it would lead. And then came the turning point. Some projects were stopped not by the authorities, but by the scientists themselves. In their personal notes, they admitted that they could no longer continue for moral reasons. Other studies disappeared after their data contradicted the entire science of their time. Instead of rewriting textbooks, these discoveries were simply buried. The most alarming cases had no practical application, only serious consequences. Some archives are sealed not because of failure, but because of the risk of repeated success. And somewhere in the darkness, these experiments await a future that dares to open them.